Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are all fine and have a good time at home. Today we start exercise 3b about significant figure. Significant figure used to reflect the degree of accuracy. How a number is accurate depend on its significant figures. How many significant it has, 4, 5, 3 or any numbers. So I define 3 or 4, 5 rules for significant figures. First rule is all non-zero digits are significant. Just like all non-zero, just like I have 5, 7, 9, 8, 5, these are all non-zero digits. So each and every one has significant figures. These are 5 significant figures. Other example, 3, 7, 9, also non-zero digits. Rule 2. Second rule, zeros between non-zero digits. Also significant figures, just like examples 305. This 0 is also significant figure, so this amount is 3 significant figure. 4003, these zeros also significant figures, so this amount is 4 significant figures. It means 0 between non-zero digits also significant figures. Third rule, zero after decimal numbers after point is also significant figures. Rule 3 in decimal amounts. Rule 3 and 4 about decimal numbers. In decimal numbers, before the digits, non-zero digits are not significant. Zeros before non-digits, just like I have example 0.0045. In decimal amount, these are 0 before the non-digit 0 are not significant. So this amount is 2 significant figures. So I write example. Other example is 053. So this also only 2 significant figure because this 0 is not significant figure. Other example, so these 0 after non-zero digit is also not significant figure, so this amount is 3 significant figure. Rule 4. In decimal numbers, 0 after non-zero digit or between the non-digit 0 are also significant figures. Just like I have examples 0.403, this digit is between the non-zero digits, it also count into the significant figures. So this amount is 3 significant figures. Other example 0.40300. The zeros in decimal amount which contain the point. After the non-zero digits also significant figures. These are non-zeros, and after the non-zero digits zeros are also significant figures. So this amount is 5 significant figures. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 5 significant figures. Just I take other example 0.067030. So in rule 3 we define this 0 is not significant figure, but between non-zero non-digit zeros is also significant figures, and after the non-zero digits 0 is also significant figures. So this amount is also 5 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rule 5. Rule 5 depend upon the approximate value. Just like I have a whole number, a complete number 7563. So it contains 4 significant figures. When I make it round off 100th, so I point at the position, underline that the position of 100, then check the next number, that is 6. 6 is greater than 5, then I add 1 into the at the position of 100. That is 5. 5 become 6, and these are last numbers convert into 0. Now this nearest 100. So this significant figure is 2 significant figure, because we make it 0 to round off nearest 100. One main basic thing is, if I take 1 kg, it is 1 significant figure. When I change its scale, convert into other, just like I convert into grams, 1 kg contain 1000 grams, so it also remain 1 significant figure. That is a rule 5, depend on the approximately value which we contain. So 1 kg when I convert into other unit, that is gram, this is also same, remain same. Just like 1 meter, in 1 meter it is 1 significant figure. So when I convert meter into centimeters, 1 meter contain 100 centimeters, so it is also 1 significant figures. So this is also like the, we make it round off. In question number 1, we just find out how many significant figures contain the number. Just like if I have 705, it contains 3 significant figures. So its answer is 3 significant figures. How many significant figures is 3? We apply the second rules. Between the 0 between 9 digits, numbers are also significant figures. If a number given as 0.730, this is also 3 significant figure. So in question number 1, we just apply these 5 rules and find out how many significant figure the number contain. In question number 2, a number is given, just like 705 is given. We round off into nearest, we convert into 2 significant figures. So again, last exercise we make round off a number. So just take the first 2 significant figures, then check the next one. If next one is 5 or greater than 5, then we add 1 into the last number into at the position of 2 significant figure. So 0 convert into 1, and that 5 convert into 0. So 2 significant figure of this amount is 710. I take a decimal numbers 3.0254. So I make round off into 3 significant figures. So first I count how many significant figures it have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then underline that the position of 3. 1, 2 and 3. Then check the next number. So next number is 5. So we have a rule, if our next number is the elimination number is which we want to eliminate, that is 5 or greater than 5, then we add 1 into the last number. If we have less than 5, then we don't need to add 1. So then 3.0 and 2 become 3, and all other remain convert into 0, and these zeros we don't need to write zeros into a decimal amount in the amount which contain point. So 3.03 is a 3 significant figures. In question number 2, 1 and 2, we just find how many significant figures a number have and convert into 2 decimal or 3 decimal. Your assignment, you must have 5 times practice of these 2 questions, question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 3B. And this is the end of today's class.